In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add link in Behance project. We'll walk through how to turn plain text inside your project into a clickable link, so your audience can jump straight to your live site, prototype, store, or any external page without hunting around. Start inside your Behance project editor. With your project open, look for the toolbar that lets you add content. To place new text, click the text option to insert a fresh text box exactly where you want the link to appear. If your project already has a paragraph where the link belongs, that's fine too. You can add the link right within existing text. Using a separate text box is simply helpful when you want the link to stand out on its own line. Type the words you want people to click. A simple phrase like "click here for live site" works, but descriptive text such as "view the live prototype" or "read the full case study" is even clearer and more accessible. Next, drag to highlight the specific words you want to make clickable. When your selection is active, a small text editor menu should appear above the text. In that mini menu, click the link icon, the little chain symbol that converts highlighted text into a hyperlink. If you don't see it, make sure your text is still selected. The formatting menu only shows when the selection is active. A field will pop up asking for the web address. Paste the full URL into that box. Include the entire address, starting with HTTP or HTTPS, so Behance recognizes it correctly. Take a moment to double-check for extra spaces or typos, because even one stray character can break the link. When everything looks right, click Done or Apply. Your text should now display as a hyperlink, often with an underline or slight color change depending on your theme and settings. To make the link active for everyone, save and publish your project. Edits in the editor aren't public until they're published, so this step is what pushes the live change to your audience. After publishing, the link will be ready for viewers to use. If you ever need to adjust it, return to the editor, re-highlight the text, click the link icon again, and update the URL. And that's it. Thanks for watching.